In this video, I will show you exactly how to get warm leads with reasons to buy today. So we see on LinkedIn quite a lot of companies are successful with what they call buying signals. So buying signals, or what they call buying signals, is essentially just monitoring keywords on LinkedIn, Indeed, in places like that, and also monitoring news, and then just verifying that everything is congruent, and then obviously finding the decision maker and the email address for this decision maker so that you can get in touch with them. The good news is that you don't need any fancy software to do that, and you specifically don't need to buy APIs, or you don't need to subscribe to API or anything like that. You don't need to buy a new SaaS product. Everything can be done using the Hermes Agent. So the Hermes Agent that we are currently running is monitoring 428 different sources for signals, and then an LLM verifies that all our signals are accurate and then pushes everyone inside the platform. So these signals are free. So if you want, you can just head over to automatedclientacquisition.com/signals and then just export those leads. As you can see, they are currently populating here because we have the Hermes agent running. So in order to run campaign for those, you need to make sure that you segment the different lists. Here, as you can see, we have funding, which is, in my opinion, the third or fourth best signal in the list, just because everyone has access to funding signals. Go-to-market hiring, so that's a really good one because it shows that the company is growing. Hiring demand, that's also a really good one. Acquisition and pre-acquisition to job changes and current growth. So the way it works is that when you're inside the community, so we have two different communities. We have the ACA Xtreme community, which is paid $67 a month, but you get access to automated client acquisition, go 123 million leads, list of 12 million Google Map businesses. You get all the agents already built for you. Otherwise, you can get inside the free community and you get the tutorial on how to build these agents yourself. So when you're inside automated client acquisition, you want to go to GitHub and just make sure that you request access. Once you get granted access, you will basically get access to the organization, which contains numerous agents. So Reddit agent, SEC form agent, buying signal agent, that's the one we are currently talking about, and LinkedIn setter agent, and so on and so forth. So let's just focus on this one here. So all you need to do in order to install it is to make sure that you have Hermes Agent running. If you don't know how to install the Hermes Agent, we have a dedicated video about that, or there are plenty of videos on YouTube where you'll see how to do it properly. Inside the community, we obviously teach you how to do that safely as well. So you will just need to copy this. Make sure that obviously first you have your GitHub API token. Once you have your API token, you'll just need to copy this command and then run it. And you will see that Hermes is going to install the whole system on your behalf. And so from there, you only need to make sure that you point it to the right data. So for instance, if your keyword monitoring doesn't contain GTM or go-to-market, but contains sales, well, you can do that and you can get the Hermes agent to do that for you as well. So that's very convenient. And next, you'll also want to make sure that you have your lists really well structured. So if you are using automated client acquisition, so automated client acquisition is a community tool which you get for free, which contains LinkedIn sequencer, contains cold emailing sequencer, really cheap cold email, content farming, lead magnets, and a lot more. And obviously, you can bring your own API keys. So we are not charging per credits. It's unlimited seats, unlimited contacts. Here you'll see in this account, I have like over 1 million contacts and have numerous campaigns running at the same time. So there you go, 1,000,000 in 54,000. So here you'll want to make sure that first of all, you connect the system to Hermes or to Claude or to whatever you want. So you're just going to setting and then click on MCP Claude, create the API key. Once you've created the API key, so it's going to look like that, where the API key is appended to the end. You just need to head over Customise, Connectors, add a custom connector, paste the API key with the URL with the API key appended into it. And from there, you can also do it in the Hermes Agent. So in Hermes Agent, when you are inside the desktop application, you just need to go over, well, you can basically talk to the system and just give it the URL and say to connect your MCP, so your ACA MCP, sorry. And you'll see it's going to do it automatically for you. That's the great thing about the Hermes Agent, is that you don't have to click around. You just talk to it, and the system is just doing whatever you would do manually, but just conversation. So that makes it a lot easier. So now, as the next step, once the MCP is connected, the system is going to be able to basically create lists on your behalf. You can see all of those lists, they've been created by the system, and it's currently pushing leads. So as I've mentioned, a lot of different leads like SEC Wealth Manager and all that. So this is all done by the MS Agent. It also has the capacity to create email sequences on your behalf. For instance, here I've just requested the MS Agent to create this campaign. So it create an A/B test and created the messages, which are really, really good. They contain the variables and everything. And the great thing about the whole system is that it learns from its own action. So for instance, here we have an A/B test with a split of 50-50, but as emails get sent, the system is going to see which one is performing better and push the traffic to one or the other a lot more, and then just renew the one that's not performing and start the test again. So that's constant iteration. So obviously you'll want to have your email addresses connected. So in order to do that, you can go inside settings. And here, if you don't already have email addresses, you can go inside email infrastructure. And from here, you'll see that you'll be able to order Microsoft 365 tenants, and you will be able to deploy hundreds or thousands of mailboxes in just a couple of clicks. I think it is like not even 7 cents per inbox. So really, really cheap. The deliverability is excellent. If you don't want to use M365 or the infrastructure already provided, you can bring your own. No problem about that. You can go inside integration, add an API key. Here you look for Zapmail, for instance. If your infrastructure is on Zapmail, add the API key, and the system is going to pull the mailboxes for you. So it's all automated. There is nothing that you need to do besides just copy paste this command, just point the Hermes agent to that, ask the system to install the plugin and the automations, and then just talk to Hermes again or to Claude to create the list, the sequences, and make sure that your inboxes are connected. So that is the most efficient process I've found to basically get leads from signals that are verified, really, really high quality, into really nicely segmented lists. So I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.